Learn how to send unlimited bulk emails using Gmail, using UK Gmail account. This Gmail account is what we use as SMTP. This account is built in UK using UK dedicated IP address. If you just change your IP using proxy to go and create this Gmail account, it will not work, or it might not work. So we advise you get it from merchant site. Now, when you join our drop servicing community, what is drop service? Is your ability to buy account from merchant website. You buy it at a very cheap rate and you can now resell. It is called drop service. You get it? So what we do now, like this is my online store where I talk about our drop servicing services. Like if you look at it now, this is the UK Gmail account. If you click on it, you see that you get it for just 50 cents. So once you join our community, you get it for 50 cents. This is how it works. So once you get one for 50 cents, which is around 750 naira, you can now resell it. You resell it. So some people are selling it for $1, which is around 1,500. So if you can send 10 on a daily basis, this is what you get. Because a lot of people need this UK Gmail account to send bulk emails. You get it? They are using it as SMTP. So when you join our drop service community, will give you access to the merchant, how you get it, how to create your online store like this for free and use it to sell the service. Or if you don't want to use it, or if you don't want to offer it as a service, as business, you can just be using it to do your other business by sending bulk emails. So once you have your Gmail account, all you need to do is to put it in any of your SMTP. Like if you look at this now, this is a bulk emailing software. So we build this software using AI. So it's very simple. We use what we call a copy and paste prompt to build this. So in the next, in the description of this video, I will show you how to send bulk emails using AI bulk emailer. Then I will build this using copy and paste prompts that you don't need to know web design. So all I'll do here now to add the UK Gmail account now here so that I can use it to send bulk emails. I'll just come here and enter the UK Gmail. So this is the UK Gmail account now. So automatically the software will pick up the other things that is needed. All I'll do here now is to put my daily sending limit, which is around 500. Then I'm telling the software to send each email every second so that you will not choke the server. Those are the things that make your emails go to spam. So like this now, I'll just click here on add to pull. So for instance, now if I'm doing 500 here, I am doing 500 here. All I'll do now, if you get like 10 of this SMTP, now you can now be doing 5,000 on a daily basis. If you get 20, you do. And all this, they goes to inbox 100%. That's what I use personally for my business and also for others. So you can see it now with this tool now, I can send 1,000 emails now easily. Okay, so the next thing I'll do now is just to come here on campaign and paste some of my email address. Okay, so I've copied the email address now, so you can just click here and upload your email. So if you are doing thousands of email, you just upload everything here. So what I'll do here is I'll just click here on import emails now. So this email is going to verifications. So what I'll do now is I'll just click here and say send. You get it? So here now I'll put the title of my email. Let me say how to make money online. Okay. So let me just type our email. Let me put something, learn drop service. Something like that. I don't want the video to be too long. So yeah, now you now see your SMTP. So you see it now. So I'll click here. And the software also have settings where it will be rotating this SMTP. So if you put 100 SMTP, it will be picking them one by one and use them to send email. These are the secrets that makes your emails to go to inbox 100%. So let me just choose it. This UK Gmail that I just had. So I'll just click here, initialize sending. And I'll click here on start sending. So automatically, because I have in the settings of the software, I've put it to rotate. So you can see now it's rotating it. if you look here now, you see some, it will send one with this email, then it will also go back. All these are UK Gmail. It will also send. You can see now it's rotating. That's how it is. So if I put 100 SMTP, that's how it will be rotating and all that. So let's test. Now, when you are sending bulk emails, always put your email so that you can check and confirm if the emails goes to inbox. So let me check some of the emails I put here now. Let me refresh. Now look at it now. You can see now this one now comes to inbox. You see it's how to make money. So I have, and this is the email. You can see it goes to inbox. This is the second one too that I put on it. You see that they all goes to inbox. If you look at this one that I put on my own private domain email address, you can see they all went to inbox. So join our drop servicing community. This is the link to the community. I'll paste it here. So once you join this community, we'll give you access to the merchants where you get this for only 50 cents, and you can be using it to send your bulk emails. And there are several things you can get. For instance, these are some of the hot products that the services that you can do. There are so many. So when you join, we'll show you hot service that you can do. Like for instance, now look at this ARUDP. This is the one that my customers is using to make money on a daily basis. Like this one now, you get it for $4, which is around 6,000 naira. Most people are selling this ARUDP as 20,000 naira. So what you do is that when you buy this now, like 6K, you can sell it 10K, 15K, make money. Look at this UK TikTok account. People are selling it for 10,000 naira in Nigeria today. You can buy it for $1, which is 1.5, and you resell it for maybe 5K and above. You can see we have Thailand WhatsApp account, Google Voice, Canva accounts, old Facebook accounts, Hong Kong WhatsApp, and several things you can get when you join the community. And the joy about this merchant account is they offer escrow service. That is, you will receive your product, make sure the product works before you release your payment. Thanks for watching this video.